Hey guys, I finally got my order from HanCanPlan, and I'm saying finally not in a way that it just took forever. I'm just very impatient like that. If I place an order, I am that person who's refreshing my browser to make sure that it has not shipped yet. When is it going to ship? And I get too excited when I purchase something. So I purchased some stickers that are both Hobonichi Cousin and some journaling ones, some decorative stickers, and I'm so excited. I know this stationery haul, you're going to see it completely in one video, but I'm doing it as they come. I'm opening my packages as they come because I get too excited. I'm not gonna wait till they're all here to open them all up. And I already have my Hobonichi Cousin here for 2024, totally ready to be using these stickers. Oh, I love the color combination. This is the Hobonichi Cousin sheet. This is the Meadow. This is the main Meadow sheet. I believe this is the Meadow one. It's so beautiful. The color, oh, I love it. I have this one. I got the Hobonichi Cousin kit, and this is a fall form. They're just beautiful, beautiful illustrations here. I got the Hobonichi Weeks sheet in Calming Fall. Look at all the sticky notes. They're so cute. Oh, I can't wait to be using this for I believe, you know what? I think I'm going to use it for both my month and my week. And all the cute little icons. Oh, they're so cute. I also have the Hobonichi Weeks sheet in the fall. So this is Calming Fall and this is Fall Farm. And both the Hobonichi Cousin, as you can see, this is the Hobonichi Cousin and the Hobonichi Weeks. They're both in the Fall Farm theme that she came out with. Got that one. And then here is the journaling Erin Condren weekly planner kit, and it's a beautiful affirmations colors. Even though I don't have that planner, I'm still gonna use them. So I got that one, and then to go with my Hobonichi Cousin, and then I got the bonus decor sticker sheet to go with it because I mean I love adding more decor. And then for the Hobonichi Cousin and the Weeks Fall Farm, I got the Fall Farm bonus decor sheet. And then for this beautiful affirmations, the planner kit, the weekly planner kit, I got the bonus decor sheet as well to go with it. And then these are the journaling pages. This is journaling page 3. I'm looking at my receipt as I'm talking to you because I want to get the names right. And this is the bonus decor. I believe this goes with this one. Yes. Bonus decor, and this is the Calming Fall sticker sheet to go with this one. So this is how I usually plan. I like a functional sheet with some decorative and then bigger stickers for decor as well. I like the combination. So I got the 3 sheets here. So yes, that is the first part of this haul. I am so excited. I'm not even going to wait. I'm going to use them up right now on my Hobonichi Cousin. Okay, now following the other sticker haul. The other shop I purchased some stickers from is Planning with K, and then all these shops that I purchased stickers from are from Etsy. So I just wanted to make sure that I implemented other shops in my channel because of course I like using my stickers, but these stickers are just so adorable. I could not pass on getting these stickers. The ones that I got, I really hope yeah, I'm pretty sure my receipt is on here. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a little journal card. And it's got her information. And there you go. So it's Planning with K, and it's the I believe all her socials are Planning with K. So you'll be able to find her there if you like any of her stickers. Definitely check them out because they're just beautiful. Yay, I finally got some dots. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. Oh my God, that's so cute. I think this was a freebie because I don't remember ordering that. Ah! Okay, let me get my stickers out. Totally influenced by Coco Plans, I believe, on Instagram, because her dashboards on her traveler's notebook, on her inserts. So I'm definitely going to be using these. And this is a traveler's notebook, regular size dashboard. And I got this one, coffee, fresh and tasty, coffee, fresh, roasted. And then there's some other writing on here, but oh, look how beautiful this is. I love black. I like black, browns, neutral colors. So I am so excited for these. And this one says coffee time. And it's also the Traveler's Notebook regular size dashboard. And this is coffee time, fresh and tasty. I love them. I love these colors. I also got a die cut sticker, our freshly brewed coffee. Try it now, only $2.50 per cup. How cute. It's a little expensive. It's okay. And I got this other, it's like a nice paper. I like how it feels. And then, oh, my die cuts. Oh, guys, you know I love die cut stickers. I use them everywhere. And I look forward to using these. Look how beautiful these are. I mean, come on. It's like some flowers, and I believe it's like the flower pot is on there too, with a cute coffee latte, and then some, like, there's like an entry there with the pen. I love it. I got this other one too. I just love the color combination on this one. Her stickers are just beautiful. But I had a budget, so I had to make sure I was very specific with my the stickers I chose. So there's this one, and then oh guys, oh, I think this is my favorite one. I love it. I love it. Definitely will be using these. So these are from Planning with Kay. Okay, next up is Leela Journals, I believe. Leela Journals. And oh my God, look at her packaging. It's just, the time she spends on her packaging is just beautiful. I like that. I'm just gonna leave it there. And then this one, oh, you know what? I'll open this one since it's right here. So this is one of the pet tapes. I think it's called pet tapes. Man, I really should know. But it's like a sampler version of it. And look at the colors. Oh, I'm gonna put this aside so you can see the colors. It's just beautiful, like sage. And this is lily. Look at how long, and it just keeps going and going and going. It's beautiful. I love it. They're like little, they're water lilies, and it's just, oh, they're amazing. I cannot wait to be using these in my daily journaling, in my Hobonichi planners, because it's very, very thin. I like it, and it's like a matte color. So I'm gonna roll this back up. There you go. Roll it back up. There's that. And then here is my package. Oh, I like how she wrote my name. I don't know, something about other people writing your name, and it's like, hey, that's my name. Here's a date. Her packaging is just so cute. Ooh, it's so exciting, guys. Just supporting other small business shops. It's rewarding. You know what? I opened it incorrectly. I have to open it this way, and then there you go. That's why I'm struggling. Okay, perfect. There we go. All right. Ooh, freebies. These are some white matte sticker freebies that I got. And then these other ones too. It's like little confetti. I love it. It's cute bow. A little band-aid with hearts on it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, for my sassy days. There's another lily. It really was like confetti. These are so cute. Some clouds. Oh, I love her clouds. Some cherry blossoms. Oh no, some sakura flowers, I believe. I know because I got some, I actually ordered some, as you can tell here. These are the Sakura Florals. It's Leela Journals. It's just, she's so talented. I've been following her for a while now. I love her drawing style, and it's just, it's beautiful. I love it. So I got her Sakura Florals in the clear matte. I also got, I think all of these are clear matte, the ones I chose. This is the mushroom frames. Look how amazing they are. I love them. Love them. Sorry, guys. Oh man, and this one, I was very intrigued by it because these are all individual stickers, like so many stickers in one sheet. And it's just beautiful for journaling or anything, honestly, for maybe just to highlight something on your planner. Like, I can't wait to be using that one. These, how beautiful is that? I look forward to using these with my sage colors. And of course, I could not place an order without my dreamy clouds. I love them. I love them. I'm very excited for this, to be using these stickers as well. They're beautiful. Then my last order, I think I'm waiting for another one, but here is my TheCoffeeMonsterzCO order. And guys, it is my first ever order with them, and I can't believe I'm actually getting these. And my order was packed by Assistant Tater. So hopefully they get a name soon, because they did a great job. I like how they packed it. Okay. Ooh, yes. There's my little freebie. I might keep this. Find your little pockets of peace. How cute is that? It's her journal card, and here's all the information. So this is the January 2024 page for the Hobonichi weeks. I mean, these colors, guys. Look how beautiful these colors are. And I also got the page number 2. This is page number 1 for the Hobonichi weeks. Page number 2, it's got all these beautiful icons. And I also got these Amazon Prime emojis because, hello, you know, if you know, you know, these are important. Payday, I got the payday icons. I also got dishwashing emojis because, specifically because of this row right here. Look at the face. Look at the face. I mean, that's my face all the time. Anything dish related, I will never be like that. I will never be like that. It is always like this. Pouting. I don't want to do this. I hate dishes. I hate dishwashing. Okay, I got large Out of the Woods doodles. There you go. And then I also got Tea Time Emotis sampler. It's so cute. I needed this. I'll look it up. They're just adorable. And then I also got some mini monthly tabs. I will be using these very soon. I think I should be using this for my release pages. I honestly, I really thought they were bigger. I can't really tell in the pictures, but I really thought these would be bigger. But hey, these are the mini monthly tabs, and they're in the white one. I also got these sheets here. Out of the Woods, Out of the Woods. Here you go. These are all kind of in the same line. These are Out of the Woods as well. The sticky notes, you guys know I love my sticky notes, so I had to get some extra ones. These are the mini desk emojis. Oh, I am so excited, guys. And then last but not least, I mean, of course, I had to get my Hobonichi cousin, and these are called A New Chapter, and it's all books. They're so cute. I love how these look. And then also A New Chapter, page number 2. So these are both in the same color range. I will be using these very, very soon. You will be seeing these on my channel.